Once your recipes are mapped, modifier rules are how you handle the real world, because customers do not order off the menu cleanly. They want no cheese, extra ranch, sub this for that. Your POS sends every one of those as a modifier, and modifier rules tell BarGuard what to do with them. A modifier is any change a customer asks for. No onions, add bacon, extra cheese, sub ranch. Your POS records it as a line attached to the order. Here is why it matters. Without a rule, BarGuard ignores the modifier and just runs the standard recipe. So if somebody orders a salad with no chicken, BarGuard still deducts the chicken anyway. Now your count is off and your variance looks wrong, even though nothing is actually missing. There are two kinds of rules. The first is a specific item rule. When a modifier shows up, you remove or add one exact ingredient. No cheese means do not deduct the shredded cheese. Simple. The second is a category rule. That one works across a whole group of ingredients. Say sub ranch. Instead of naming every sauce on your menu, you tell BarGuard to swap whatever sauce is in the recipe for ranch. One rule covers every item that has a sauce. Use specific rules for one-off ingredients and category rules when the same change hits a lot of different drinks or plates. To build one, go to Sales Matching. You will see a list of modifiers that have actually shown up in your POS data. Pick the one you want to handle, then choose what it does. Remove skips an ingredient, add deducts an extra one, and swap replaces one ingredient with another. Last, decide whether it targets one specific item or a whole category, then save. A couple of things to know. Modifier rules are optional. If you only track spirits and beer, you probably do not need them at all. They matter most in a kitchen with a lot of substitutions on expensive stuff, proteins, cheese, premium add-ons. And if a rule is not firing, check the exact text your POS is sending. The modifier has to match or start with no, extra, sub, or add. You can see the real raw text in your sales log. Match it exactly, and the rule kicks in every time.